Ensuring the safety of electrical appliances has never been more important. Introducing the Seaward PrimeTest 50, a reliable and easy to use portable appliance tester. The PrimeTest 50, your essential companion for on-the-go pat testing. With the PrimeTest 50, you can quickly and confidently perform essential tests, including earth bond and insulation resistance. Simply connect the PrimeTest 50, select the test, and let it guide you through the process. Its user-friendly interface makes it a breeze to navigate, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: safety. Seaward PrimeTest 50. Safety made simple. If you'd like more information on the Seaward PrimeTest 50 or any other pat tester in our range, please don't hesitate to contact us. Alternatively, you can check our website at www.tester.co.uk, where you'll find over 5,000 instruments and devices at competitive prices. Once again, my name's Matt Callingham from PASS, and thank you for watching this video.